redeveloping our community.
Yes, sir. I think our safety inspectors already conducted a safety inspection and we have a recommendation. It was properly forwarded.
Yes, kasi ilang sources for your water needs.
Yes, sir. We will do that.
And I think if you need the help of the council relative to such understanding with the Baguio Water District, then probably you can manifest your concern to us.
Yes, sir. I think we need the Abaylain solution.
Thank you. We appreciate it.
Any other Councilor Yang, please?
So, ngayon, DSO, maybe you can also research from them.
Yes, sir. I will forward it to Mr.
For 3 of today's agenda. Maraming salamat, Apo. And hopefully, matapos po natin yung ating po agad na fire station doon sa may Kisan kasi tumatagal po. Okay. So, there is now a motion as amended and further amended. So, any further discussion?
Mr. Chair,
Councilor
I
Tabantes.
went to VILG one time. There is a memorandum circular. There is no educational qualification for barangay.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Councilor Alanza.
Inquire from the Honorable Tabanda if this will also include the city.
Yes, the
Ah.
city.
If